Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, in this lecture I will solve exercise number 4.8, question number 4, that is most relevant for paper's point of view. So let's start. Find 5 more terms of the harmonic progression, that is 1 divide 3, 1 minus 1 up to so on. Since 1 divide 3, 1 minus 1 up to so on are in harmonic progression, then the reciprocal 3, 1 minus 1 are in arithmetic progression. Here first term, that is a1 is equal to 3, second term a2 is equal to 1. So D is the common difference between a1 and a2. So by putting the values, value of a2 is equal to 1 minus value of a1 is equal to 3. So D 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. So D is equal to minus 2. So dear student, first 3 terms are given, that is first 1 divide 3, second 1 and third minus 1. So next we find fourth term. So a4 can also be written in the form of a1 plus 3d. So value of a1 is equal to 3 plus 3, value of d is equal to minus 2, 3 2 times 6 plus minus 6, 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3, a4 is equal to minus 3. Next fifth term can also be written in the form of a1 plus 4t. So by putting the values, value of a1 is equal to 3 plus 4 into value of d is equal to minus 2, 4 2 times 8 plus minus, so 3 minus 8 is equal to minus. Fifth term, that is a5 is equal to minus 5. Next we find sixth term, that is a6 can also be written in the form of a1 plus 5d. So by putting the values, that is first term a1 is equal to 3 plus 5 into d, d is equal to minus 2. So 5 2 times 10 plus minus 3 minus 10 is equal to minus 7. So a6 is equal to minus 7. Next seventh term, that is a7 is equal to a1 plus 6d. So by putting the values, that is first term is equal to 3 plus 6 into minus 2, 6 into minus 2 is equal to minus 12, 3 minus 12 is equal to minus 9. So a7 is equal to minus 9. Next eighth term, that is a1 plus 7d. So by putting the a1 is equal to 3 plus 7 into d is equal to minus 2, 7 into minus 2 is equal to minus 14, 3 minus 14 is equal to minus 11, hence a8 is equal to minus 11. Hence the required terms of harmonic progression is equal to, that is first term minus 1 divide 3, second term minus 1 divide 5, third term minus 1 divide 7, fourth term minus 1 divide 9, fifth term minus 1 divide 11, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.